All right, Go Pack Go. This is the video to find our two mini winners for my four-way winner pick one. So we'll check the time, January 9th at 8:31 p.m. I'm going to go over to the mini and type live. We have January 9th at 8:31 p.m. So we're going to be looking for the top two. First gets 5, second gets 3 spots in the main. So this is our list of our 20 mini entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 2 will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final, looking for the top 2. Here we go. It is Joe and Andrea. Excuse me. So Joe, you will get the pick of 5, and then Andrea, you will get the remaining 3. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, January 9th, 8:32 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.